So I took out the glove box just so you can have a better view, but you don't necessarily need to. You can see the blower motor right here. You've got your electrical connector. Go ahead and push up on this tab and then draw the wire out of there. Hopefully. After that, just press on these tabs on this, and this should want to come out. There it is. This one, same thing. Use a 7/32 bit. This one's a little bit harder to get to. Let's get our new resistor up in here. Make sure you've got the gasket on there. It should be attached, but I'm gonna start in my mounting bolts. Once they're both started, I'll snug them up. Awesome. So I just pulled this up through the glove box area. I wanted to show you, you can see where it's kind of burnt a little bit here on the connector. That's very common. If you're replacing your resistor, more than likely you're going to see that. That's why TRQ was kind enough to give you a brand new resistor harness here. So I'm going to show you how to wire it in. Now we're just going to look at these wires. If you see one that's burnt like we have, just make sure that the wire isn't damaged. If it is, of course, you need to cut higher than that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cutting these. I'm going to go just like this. And then I'm going to come up just a little bit higher. And then a little bit higher than that, and then a little bit higher than that. That way there, these are all in a step position, and when I go to put these on to the new, they're not all going to be directly in line with each other and making like a big old ball. Let's go ahead and take off the outer sheathing on these. All right, so we got all the sheathing off of there. This looks good. Let's use these. You can see right through where the metal is right there. You need to make sure you get the metal part of the wires up to there and then crimp it down. Go ahead and twist up your wire. Slide this right over so you can see the metal going inside the metal housing of the connector. And then go ahead and crimp it down. Give it a nice tug. Perfect. Do the same to all. So now we're going to trim this down to a working level because obviously we don't need this much. Okay. Now if we take our old connector and our new connector, you can match them up. Make sure you have your flippy-do in the same area. That's super important. If it's upside down, it's going to cause a major issue. Once you have it like this, just line up your first wire with that one. This is the one we're going to splice, and then after that we're going to move along to doing the others. Give it a little twist. Go ahead and put that in there, hopefully. Push it right in. Crimp it down. Awesome. So now we're just going to stretch this out and then lead this up to the next shortest. We'll trim it as needed, and then we'll continue on just like that. These look great. Now we're just going to carefully heat these up, and they're going to shrink down. Do the same to all. Now we're going to plug in the blower motor. Put that right in there. Make sure you get your wire situated. Go ahead and plug in the resistor right over there. And then of course, get this wire situated as well. If you have any extra, you can of course put it behind the carpet, and then just make sure you have it secured. That looks great. Okay, all that's left is testing it out. Make sure it works on all speeds. Let's test it. Definitely sounds like it's working perfect.